I'm gonna show you guys yung best way to deposit funds into IBKR, and so far, ito yung pinakamagandang method na nakita ko to minimize the fees. And today, I'm gonna show you guys yung step by step at sasabayan ko din kayo kasi mag-i-invest din ako today. Hello everybody, my name is Sam and I made my first million pesos at 20 years old, and now I'm 24 and I have 7 digits invested sa market. Now, I'm not gonna take credit dito sa method na to. Nakita ko siya while researching on the best way to actually invest into IBKR, and I saw this post by the user SongerPH sa RPH Invest, and siya na yung gumawa ng experiment. So, he tried 3 known methods on depositing into IBKR. Number 1 is Wise PHP to Wise USD, then ACH transfer into IBKR. Number 2 and 3 naman is Wise PHP into IBKR, and then dun ka na mag-convert. Now, dun sa experiment niya, method 1, which is Wise PHP to Wise USD before IBKR, yung pinakamatinong method, yung pinakamaliit yung fee. So, that's exactly what I'm gonna show you guys. Now, of course, the first step is to have a Wise account in the first place. Kasi dun tayo kuha ng funds for IBKR. If wala ka pang Wise account, you can check out the description of this video for my link. Pag ginamit mo yon, libre yung first conversion mo, at saka may libre ka pang debit card for Wise. Around 400 to 500 pesos din yon, so free money. Now, once na may Wise account ka na, here's what we're going to do. Sasabayan ko kayo na once may account ka na sa Wise, ang kailangan natin gawin is actually lagyan siya ng pera. So, i-click natin tong PHP, tapos kukunin natin tong bank details natin dito. Now, open mo na yung bank kung saan ka magde-deposit. Ayan, for this one, I'll be using GoTime, and then I'll be sending money into Wise. So, search lang natin Wise Pilipinas, paste natin yung account number, and then yung name, and yung amount. So for this one, I'll be depositing 5,000 pesos and then transfer now. Now, maganda dito if freelancer ka, for example, tas sa Wise ka din sinusweldo, so you can completely skip this step. And better more kapag USD yung sweldo mo. Kasi hindi mo na kailangan mag-convert and then sobrang liit na lang ng fees nun. So we're done transferring. We can go back to our Wise account and there we go. Nandyan na yung balance natin. Now next, we're gonna convert yung 5,000 pesos into US dollar before we send it to IBKR. So we're gonna press move and then we'll be selecting our US dollar account and then we're gonna exchange that money. There we go. So with the current conversion, 80.97 siya, and then our fees there is only 16.74 pesos. So napakaliit pa lang niya. So review, alright. So meron na tayo 80.97 pesos. And the next step, gagamitin na natin yung computer natin. Now, you can also do it on your phone, pero I just find it a bit easier kapag naka-laptop. So andito na tayo sa laptop natin. We can see na andito na yung US dollar. Now, the next thing we're gonna do is go to our IBKR. Tapos, there are 2 ways to do this. So yung transfer from Wise balance, which unfortunately, mas may additional fees siya. Tapos pwede mo din i-check yung ibang deposit method, and ito yung gagamitin natin. Direct ACH transfer from your bank. Now, medyo mas matagal lang to, available in 1 business day. Tapos minsan na-hold pa nga ulit yung balance mo. But at the same time, ito yung pinaka murang way to deposit the funds. So, make sure na naka US dollar ka. Kasi again, naka US dollar na yung Wise natin. And we're gonna pick this one. Yes. And then may 2 numbers na ibibigay dito, yung routing number mo, tapos yung account number mo. So with that, we're gonna use that dito sa Wise. So we're gonna send, add, US dollar, bank details. Now for this one, pick business or charity since IBKR yung sasendan natin. So dito sa name of business or organization, we can just copy this, UMB Bank. Tapos i-copy natin yung routing number. Tapos yung account number, i-copy din natin. And then make sure to check checking. So continue. Ayan, so ang fees and taxes natin dyan is 1.27 US dollars, which is around 80 pesos. Send now. Now makikita mo dito, it should arrive by Tuesday, which actually takes a bit of time. Now dito sa Wise, meron naman tracker dyan kung kailan mo makikita kung kailan siya papasok dun sa IBKR mo. Now all you can do is wait right now. And for the next days or the next few days, expect na makikita mo na yung balance dun sa IBKR mo. Now, ACH transfer actually takes a few days bago kumagat dun sa account mo. Kaya preferably do this during the morning and then may chance pa na ma-hold pa yung balance dun sa account mo. But all is safe, huwag kayo mag-aalala. Just takes a while to verify it on their end. Now, that's pretty much it. Congratulations on your deposit. Sana mag-enjoy ka mag-invest. Sana lumaki yung pera mo. And if you're interested in more finance videos, investing videos, and videos on how to make money, make sure to subscribe para hindi ka mamatay na brokey.